We use paper for pretty much everything. From writing news articles to printing or writing. Find the hidden heart, it's inside the O. That's the answer right there. The 7-fold limit blocks you from doing the 8-fold. But according to the Guinness World Records, a woman managed to do 12 folds, 5 above the 7-fold limit. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. That tastes amazing. Before I start the video, there will be a fun fact at the end of this video, so don't miss out. So we all know we have a piece of paper, but this will shock you because one layer is 0.1 millimeters or 0.005 inches thick. Anyways, let's see how many folds it will take to reach the observable universe. Right, so this is a piece of paper. It is 0.1 millimeters or 0.005 inches thick. At 14 folds, it would reach the average height of a woman. At 23 folds, it would shock you because it would reach the world's tallest building, the Burj Khalifa. At 38 folds, it would reach the diameter of the Earth. Isn't that amazing? At 42 folds, it would reach the length of the Earth to the Moon. And finally, at 103 folds, it would reach the edge of the universe, which the length is a whopping, this will blow your socks off, more than 93 billion light years. Isn't that great? Here's the fun fact. Length increases by 1, but that is only the first one. And then after that, it doubles. And then it doubles the length. That does the same thing. So prefer you did 1 fold. That's 0.2 millimeters or 0.01 inches. So if you do that, flip another fold. That is 0.4 millimeters or 0.02 inches. And then on the third one, it increases and doubles again. So it is 0.8 millimeters, not 0.6. And then that will be 0.04 inches, not 0.03 inches. Anyway, like, subscribe, and enjoy.